What do you do when life breaks you? When nothing seems fair, when you're stuck, overlooked, hurting? Most people crumble, but not Epictetus. He was born a slave, beaten, tortured, given no name, and yet he became one of the wisest minds in history. Here's how. He had no power, no freedom, no wealth, and still, he found peace. Still, he found purpose. Because Epictetus understood something most of us don't. You may not control life, but you can always control how you respond. A podium and a prison are each a place, he said. One high, the other low, but in either, your freedom of choice remains. Every event has two handles, one that lifts, one that drags. Which one are you grabbing? Hard days don't break us, they reveal us. That's what Epictetus believed, and it saved him. He focused only on what was his thoughts, his values, his choices. Not the abuse, not the injustice, not even exile, because power comes from within, not from circumstance. In Nero's palace, surrounded by rich senators and powerful generals, Epictetus realized something shocking. He, the slave, was freer than they were. They were chained to ego, to status, to cravings they couldn't control. But he was free of all that. He chose peace. He chose wisdom. Life, he said, is a play. We don't get to choose the role, but we do choose how to play it. You may be cast in tragedy, but you can still deliver a masterpiece. Even in hardship, you can live beautifully. So, if today is hard, remember this. You're not powerless, you're not broken, you're being revealed. Be like Epictetus. Focus on your response. Master your role. And let the storm shape you, not sink you.